Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best RC drift car review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. ZWN DK087 RC Drift Car. This RC car includes the battery, charger, and remote and runs on a 3.7-volt lithium battery. It's a 2WD rear-wheel drive model with a realistic car-style control system. The DK087 delivers smooth acceleration, braking, and sharp turns. The 130 brushed motor provides strong output, making it fun for beginners and younger drivers. The car features simulated off-road tires with strong grip, allowing it to handle dirt, small rocks, and uneven surfaces. Its realistic body design gives it the feel of a real off-road vehicle. Front, rear, and roof LED searchlights make night driving more exciting and add a cool visual effect. The 2.4 GHz remote control offers stable performance up to 40 meters. You get around 20 to 30 minutes of playtime per charge. If you want a simple, durable and fun off-road RC car, especially as a gift for kids or beginners, the ZWN DK087 is a great option. Number 4. Smodel JBL-4303 RC Drift Car. This mini RC car comes fully assembled and ready to go. It runs on a 3.7-volt 200 mAh lithium battery and uses a 2.4 GHz remote control system for stable driving. The 4WD system delivers smooth drifting and quick turns. It's not built for extreme speed, but it's perfect for precision drifting and indoor racing. The remote control works up to 20 meters, which is ideal for tabletop tracks or room-scale racing. It supports Mode 1 and Mode 2, making it beginner-friendly. You get around 20 to 30 minutes of runtime with a fast 30-minute Type-C charging time, so you're back on track quickly. The car is lightweight but durable, made from quality plastic. The package includes extra tires and traffic cones, which is great for setting up your own drift course. If you want a compact, fun, and affordable drift RC car for indoor play or as a cool gift, the Smodel JBL-4303 is a solid pick. Number 3. Aliexpress SC24A02 RC Drift Car. This RC car includes a rechargeable 3.7-volt lithium battery, USB charger, and remote controller. Just connect the battery inside the car and you're good to go. You get around 20 minutes of playtime on a full charge, which is decent for a car in this category. This car is perfect for controlled drifting and indoor racing. The 4WD system gives smooth traction and stable handling, especially for beginners. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides stable, interference-free control up to 35 meters, allowing multiple cars to race together without signal issues. The car feels solid for its size. The compact design makes it great for small tracks, living rooms, or smooth outdoor surfaces. If you're looking for a fun, affordable 4WD drift RC car, especially as a gift for kids or beginners, the Aliexpress is a solid choice. Number 2. 4WD RC Drift Car. This RC car includes batteries, charger, and remote, and features a full 4WD system with a strong 130 magnetic motor. It's small, lightweight, and perfect for indoor or outdoor racing. One of the best features is the replaceable racing and drifting tires, letting you switch styles easily. The full proportional throttle gives smooth speed control, making drifting more realistic and easier than basic RC cars. This car looks amazing at night with headlights, rear wing lights, and dual underbody LED strips, much more than most cars in this class. The 2.4 GHz remote offers stable control up to 40 meters with no interference. With 4 rechargeable batteries, you get extended playtime around 20 to 25 minutes per battery. It features an independent gearbox and improved shock absorption, giving better handling and durability during drifts and turns. If you're looking for a fun, affordable, and realistic drift RC car, The 4WD Super Drift Car E86 Pro is a great choice and an awesome gift for any age. Number 1. 4WD-16101 Pro RC Drift Car. This RC car powered by a 7.4-volt lithium battery and features full 4WD LED lights and a strong metal plastic body. It's designed for both kids 14+ and adults. The highlight is the brushless motor pushing speeds of 60 to 70 km per hour in real conditions and even faster with a 3S battery. Drifting, tail swinging and high-speed racing feels smooth and aggressive. It has upgraded metal parts like metal differentials, drive shafts, dog bones and ball bearings. The shock absorbers and tough bumpers protect it during crashes, making it great for off-road action. You get two 1,500 mAh batteries, giving over 50 minutes of total runtime. The 2.4 GHz remote offers 3 speed modes, perfect for beginners and pros with a control range of about 100 meters. If you want a fast, durable and exciting RC car, the SC24A02 Pro brushless version is a solid choice, powerful, fun and built to last. This one definitely delivers.